Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we will learn how to sum based on a number structure in Excel. In my sample data, I have a list of customers, their account numbers, and their balances. I want to create a formula that will bring me the sum of customers whose account number starts with 2. Now to do this, we are going to use Excel's sum product function, a very versatile function. What it does is it tests a condition, and if that condition is met, the corresponding numbers against the criteria that met that condition is summed up. So we start a sum product and we open a double bracket in this case. Now the condition is we want to test if the number begins with 2. And to do that, we are going to use the left function. So basically what the left function does is when you give it a range of text, you bring your comma, it extracts from the left based on the number of characters you specify. So left 1 means that I'm looking for the first number from the left. Now the test here is this number equal to 2? So this is how we set it equal to 2. This is the condition that has to be met. So we close our bracket for our first array. Now, when this is done, you bring a multiplication, open another bracket, and this time around you are matching it with the balances. So here, you are matching instances where it returns true with this. And then you close your final bracket for sum product. So we expect 6,500, it begins with 2, and then 3,324, which also begins with 2. So when I hit enter, I get 6824. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos on Mondays and Fridays directly to you. Or you can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a good day.